Hello friend, welcome to our all-in-one channel. Today we make stacking bangles with help some pictures. Now let's start how to do it. For that we want some tools like as round nose plier, chain nose plier, heavy flush cutter, curved nylon jaw plier, 6 inches 10 gauge wires, 6 inches 14 gauge wires, 7 feet 20 gauge twisted wire and large flat bead. To make a 6.6 inch bracelet, the end of your 16 gauge coil around an object with a 1.75 inch diameter like a spice bottle and form a large ring. Gently pull the wire through a pair of curved nylon jaw plier 1 or 2 times. Coil 7 feet of 20 gauge twisted wire around a hard straight piece of 14 gauge wire or a steel mandrel. Cut the coil to 5 inches. Then slide on to the formed 14 gauge circle. If the coil gets hung up, twist and push it onto the heavy wire like a screw. Form a short hook with the second end of the circle. Form one very small and one very large wire wrapped loop on a 6 inch piece of 16 gauge wire. Squeeze the large loop to change its shape to a long oval. Stick your finger up through both sides of the bracelet and pull gently to stretch the bracelet out and shape it into a flat oval. Now after you look as our picture shown and in video, your bracelet is ready. Guys, if this video like, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.